Hi, this is Miss Harder, and we are going to go over CPM homework 1.1.4. So for non-honors, it's 130, 131, and 132. I'm not quite sure what I put for honors, but I can check in a minute. So for the first problem, you have two choices. You can either, basically for the first one on 130, you're graphing, you're making a dot, a scatter plot for this one. So you can choose to do it on paper, which is going to look like this. You're going to use coordinate 1, right? Just like this. And this is the X. And this is the shoe size. So you're going to do shoe size, right? So it's the X. So it looks like our shoe size, you could probably do this by, I would start like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start here, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make this 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 15. And then the other one, it goes by hundreds in centimeters. So if you wanted to do it this way, you could, but you could also do the fun way and go to the link. You're going to be on your CPM book, and you click on the link, right? You're going to go right here. And it's got this really cool Desmos thing. And you can answer the questions, but check this out. Let me just explain. So in this moment, you've got it's got 8.5 at 165. So you count here's 161. You go to the 161, and then you just count over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then a half, and put the dot at 1/2, right? And that's your first one, right? You can make this where you can see it better. See how it goes like that? And then you just keep moving the dots over. That's the cool part. I mean, it's pretty much, you don't even have to make the graph. You just need to move it. See how you have 8.5 and then 164? The point of this lesson is to make your own scatter plot. And then you can answer the questions, right? He discovered that human height is related to his or her reach. It is curious if it is true. It was not practical for her to measure her classmates' feet, so Karen collected the following on shoe size and data. Make the graph, drag the things. Is there a relationship between height and shoe size? And I think you can actually write a comment in there. Yes. Oh, of course you can. Okay, so once you do all of this work and move things around, you click on this button right here, and where you can share the graph. You can either export the image, or you can copy it, and you can send it to me in Canvas with your picture, right? You just copy it. You go into hold on, let me go into my Canvas. I'm not going to actually be able to show it to you. But yeah, I mean, there's so many fun tools with doing the homework like this. It's extremely fun. So yeah, that's all you're doing. And that's all you're doing here too. You're just taking this, you're deciding, okay, I would do like 50, I would make 100, 150, and then I would do 200, stuff like that. And then you could just start doing it. So the first one is 6 and 153. So dot. Let me use pink. And then 8 and 160. Here's 8, and then go to 160, dot. So that's all you're doing for the first one. That's it. You can choose however you want to do it. Now, here's the next one, 131. One important statistical display is the box plot. If you need help remembering what a box plot is, refer to the glossary. And here is another homework help. So you're going to click on the homework help, and they're giving you like the median, right? So you're going to do this, and what is the median shoe size for 1-30, and what is the minimum and what is maximum? So the median is the section in the middle, right? And then you're looking for the max. The max shoe size looks like it's 10. Are we doing it by shoe size? Maximum and then the minimum. Okay, so you're going to put the max is 10. I don't know how they want to do this. So hold on. Let me click over here. I think we put 10 in here. Let me just see. Anyway, you could do it like that, or you could do it on the paper, of course. So let me show you the paper. So in this one, on 1-31, you make the box plot, right? So you're going to do a box. Okay. And then this is the maximum. This is the minimum. So for the maximum, you're going to put 10. And then the minimum, the smallest one, I think it's going to be, yeah, it's going to be 6 because you got a 6 right here. And then you need to put like the medium, which is the middle. So I think it's going to be like 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5. So I think it's going to be like 7.5 through 8.5 like that. Right? So this is the max, meaning they're almost like they're outliers. So that's really just it. If you want to do the Desmos, you certainly can. Also, you could put the Desmos links on a Google Doc and turn in that Google Doc as well. That's totally up to you. So that's that one. And then 131 or 132, Letitia is determined to do well in school this year. Her goal is to maintain an 85% average or mean of all of her courses. Letitia started her history class with 2 scores, 72 and 89. Confirm that the mean of these 2 scores is, okay, so what you're going to do for 1-32 is you're going to add up 72 plus 89% and then divide it by 2, and then you'll get what that is. Letitia's third score was 90%. So she wants to, her goal is 85%. So now what you're going to do is you're going to add up 72 plus 89 plus 90 and then divide by 3, and you're going to get the average there. Okay, so this was just a quick going over, but please have fun. Use the Desmos if you can, but if you want to go paper, just take a picture of these things and let me know how it went. Awesome. Hold on.